Korean Revolution Museum. The Korean Revolution Museum, located in Pyongyang, North Korea, was founded on August 1, 1948 and holds a large exhibition of items related to Kim Il-sung and the Korean Revolutionary movement. It is situated behind the Mansu Hill Grand Monument and is adjacent to the Mansudae Assembly Hall, seat of the Supreme People's Assembly, the North Korean legislature. The Korean Revolution Museum encompasses the period between 1860 and the present day, including the anti-Japanese resistance, the Korean War, and the period of socialist construction. It has 90 rooms which hold items related to Kim Il-sung and his associates, Korean reunification, the Korean diaspora, and various historical battles. Since its establishment, it has had 27 million visitors from North Korea and abroad. At 240,000 square meters, it is also one of the largest structures in the world. The museum underwent major renovations which were completed in 2017.